Oh, it's been too hot to do camping, too hot to work on the Runaway. It doesn't fit in the garage. We will at least get it started up. We got to run to the auto parts store for another project we're working on. So let's grab old Captain Deuce and start this Runaway here. All right, start her up and let's get her going, Deuce. Yay, it starts up. You ready? Huh? Hardware store, or auto store? Let's go. Gotta use the Runaway to go get parts for the new truck. So we traded in shiny car for a tiny truck. Got a Nissan Pro 4X, four-wheel drive, all the bells and whistles, all the goodies. We need this because North Carolina is more country than where we live now, and we're gonna need it for all the cool stuff and things you gotta do. So pick this bad boy up, and it needs a couple of things like better stereo. We just tinted the windows, that kind of stuff to make it mine. So that's what we're gonna get ready to do. Since can't work on the Runaway, we're gonna work on something. So let's pull that thing into the garage where we can have it cooler and get to work. All right, you know how to be a truck driver? You know how to drive trucks? You can drive the van, can you drive the truck? All right, drive the truck into the garage. Are we in? Nice. Thank you, Captain Deuce. All right, I guess we're going to tear apart a dash here. It's our project to start with. We got all of our chores done. Captain Deuce is taking her nap. She had a hard day moving vehicles. So, nope, sorry, I left keys on. It was making noises. Let's see how to take this thing apart. I think you should start up here. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Find a way to pry that up without breaking shit. Yep, that was pretty easy. A couple of screws, I'm assuming. Ta-da-ta-da. And one radio out. Yay, radio out. Move to the bench. Fun, easy stuff. Take the stuff apart. Switch it around. Ta-da! With a little YouTube magic, we have a swapped over radio. Cosmetic cleanup too. Make it pretty, wrap it. All of our buttons and whistles work. Now we just gotta put it back in the car. Alright, an hour later, a lot of cuss words later, and we are up to final tests before we reassemble it all. Got everything ran, all the wires for park and reverse, everything with the reverse camera. I didn't run it the whole way, but we're gonna test it before we do all that. So let's hook things up and test it and see what we get. Right. There we go, let's see what happens. It's coming on. The reverse camera is going to need a ground. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, it's loud. Gotta turn off them beeps. Turn her off. It has a delay. Turn it back on. Everything's working good. Put it in reverse. Sweet. Working for me. Let's eat some lunch. And we have the finished product. Cleaned it all up. Made it look good. Android Auto. Our reverse works good. Reverse camera. Now we up to date with our tunes. So, thanks for watching. See you guys later.